Struggling to prep your garden soil without a bulky tiller? The MZK 20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator promises to make gardening effortless with its lightweight design and powerful tines. Let's see if it's worth $130 for your garden in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartBloom. I'm your name, and we review the latest AI and smart gardening gadgets to help you grow smarter. Today we're testing the MZK 20V Cordless Tiller, perfect for small gardens in the USA, EU, or beyond. Don't forget to subscribe for more. The MZK 20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator is a battery-powered mini tiller designed for small to medium gardens. Priced at $130, it comes with 24 steel tines, a 7.8-inch tilling width, and two 2Ah batteries with a charger. It's cordless so you can move freely, and it's lightweight at just 9 pounds, perfect for gardeners who want an easy-to-use tool for prepping flower beds or veggie patches. Let's break down its features. First, the cordless design with a 20-volt battery lets you till anywhere without cords getting in the way. The 24 steel tines dig efficiently, with a 7.8-inch width that's great for small spaces. It's ergonomic with a soft grip handle to reduce fatigue, and users say one battery can till up to 400 square feet. That's a 20 by 20 foot garden. Plus, it has a safety lock for extra protection. Now let's dig deeper. The MZK tiller is best for pre-tilled or loose soil, breaking up clumps and aerating for planting. In my test, it tilled a 50 by 2 foot flower bed in Florida's sandy soil in just 15 minutes without slowing down. Impressive for a cordless tool. The 20-volt battery lasts about 30 to 40 minutes per charge, so with 2 batteries, you get over an hour of tilling. However, it struggles with very hard or rocky soil. Users report it can jam on rocks, so you might need to clear them first. Also, the auxiliary handle can slip on the smooth shaft, but a quick fix is wrapping duct tape around it for grip. For small gardens in the USA or EU, this tiller saves time and effort compared to manual tools, especially for seniors or anyone with back issues. Here's the good and the not so good. Pros: it's lightweight at 9 pounds, super easy to use, and cordless for ultimate freedom. It's perfect for small gardens, saving you hours of manual work. Cons: it's not great for hard or rocky soil, so prep your ground first. The battery might not last for very large projects, and some users mention the handle slipping. Overall, a solid choice for small to medium plots. So who's this tiller for? It's ideal for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada, with small to medium plots. Think 400 square feet or less. If you're a busy gardener who wants a lightweight, cordless tool to prep flower beds or veggie patches without back strain, this is for you. It's also great for eco-conscious folks who prefer battery-powered tools over gas ones. Ready to make gardening easier? Grab the MZK 20-volt cordless tiller on Amazon for $130. Link in the description. Have you tried a cordless tiller yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more smart gardening reviews.